sweet and kind. Share your toys and you will find happiness comes when we share. Show everyone how much you care. No, 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 keep it all. Don't listen when they call. Grab the toys, play for you. There's so much fun in break your rules too. Angel Mommy says be nice. Listen close and think twice. The world is bright when you're good, just like our kind children should. Devil Mommy says have fun. Do it all, don't stop or run. Rules can wait, so let's play. Life is all about your way. When it's time to clean your space, tidy up, put things in place. Being neat feels really great. A clean room is first rate. Mess it up, don't be neat. Leave the toys beneath your feet. Why clean up when you can play? We'll fix it all another day. Angel Mommy says be good. Try to do the things you should. The choices make us all proud. You'll stand out in the crowd. Devil Mommy says have fun. Break the rules one by one. Life is short, let's enjoy. Go ahead, be a little coy. Oh, Angel, Devil, you decide which way feels right inside. Every choice, big or small, leads to you standing tall.